Hi. We're back again.
We're back again.
We actually never left. We're just changing our topics because we do have so much to say today. I don't know.
You can tell me.
That you can tell me. What are we going to talk about now?
I think there's a tremendous. So you know what I noticed?
Yes.
So I want to give the date we're making this. We're making this March 13th. You know, sadly, everyone knows what's 2022. Everyone knows what's going on in Ukraine. Yeah. Fed have raised the rates 25 basis points, right. And I believe they've said or indicated that the next raise is going to be 50 basis points. Right. Inflation is certainly going high.
And they're trying to level it out.
The economy's in a turmoil. Mm-hmm. You know, most people are of the age group, and I don't mean this negative, it's just a fact, where they haven't experienced increasing rates, and they haven't experienced inflation. They've only seen a stock market that's going up. They've never seen the downside.
Right, and also the rates, you've seen them so low, and now they're going up. Where we started, they were up here, and then they came down, and now it's...
Yeah, so I'm noticing as I'm speaking to people and just, you know, surfing around sort of on LinkedIn a little bit, some people are in sort of panic mode. The deals are priced to perfection. Yeah. They're being repriced. Mm-hmm. Things aren't moving. Again, the rates are going to go up, so you don't know where they're going to land. It's not stable. Yeah. You know, so I guess my message and why I wanted to make this video, Mars, is because you can either take... And look, at any time...
Well, no, like... The word that you used when we first started, before we started recording, was opportunity.
Yes, I was just going to say, anytime the market moves and there's a readjustment or any, however you want to say, a rebalancing of it, there's always The sad reality is
there's always winners,
but there's always losers too.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
You have to position yourself either to be a winner or a loser. You know, and it's not fun sometimes. Sometimes it gets a little dirty and a little messy, to be honest with you. But
I also said, like, make decisions. You know, don't like hem and haw. The longer you wait to make a decision, whether you're purchasing something or what kind of loan you're looking for, the rates are going up.
Remember, a lot of money is made if the market's always flat, if the market's always going down. You know, the deal becomes a commodity. It's priced to perfection. Right. When there's turmoil and the market's upset and regurgitating, there's more opportunity. It's more of an opportunistic market.
Yes.
You know, everyone the past 10 years, everyone's been a hero. The reality is the market made you a hero. But as the prices change, there'll be opportunities. There's going to be foreclosures. There's going to be defaults. There's going to be people who don't meet their yields. There's going to be all kinds of stuff going on. So I think it's a tremendous opportunity. We at Gelt Financial are, again, we don't wish anyone harm, but we're excited to partake in this market. We have a lot of experience in up and down markets. So we view it as an opportunistic time, and we're looking for opportunistic partners and opportunistic deals.
Right. So we have the capital.
We have the capital to lend. Yes. So our message to you is, in this market, don't be panicked. It is what it is. You got to hold steady.
You got to just go with the flow.
If you're already in a deal, you're already in that deal. You have to make the best of that deal. But there's going to be new deals out there that can't be executed by the original parties that are going to come to you, and there's going to be a lot of upside potential. Look, the country, you know, I remember the crash of 08 to 011. They call it the Great Recession. And
it was like a great nightmare.
It was a terrible nightmare. I used to be like, I used to have a lot of hair, no gray, thin, and I used to be like 6'3". And look at me now. Brutal. It beat me up.
I know, look at you.
I know, I was beaten up by that market. But I remember very distinctly talking to our CFO at the time and my brother, who was a partner at the time in Gelt, still a partner in Gelt, but either way, and talking about, you know, do we want to sell the real estate or do we want to keep it? And we both said, look, the country's basically a safe country. Okay, we're going through a tough period of time, but the demographics and all the population is that the country's growing. You know, this will go through. So this too shall pass, as they say.
I was just going to say that. What? I was just going to say this too shall pass. Nothing remains the same. Change is inevitable.
So there's a tremendous amount of opportunity, and I personally think there's more opportunity in this market. Remember, we're doing debt deals, we're doing equity deals. If you have a good deal and you have debt or equity, check us out at geltfinancial.com or give us a call at 561-221-0900. Like the YouTube, leave your comments, leave your quotes. Do we leave anything else off, Marcy?
That's it. Have a fantastic day.
And you're always going to speak to a decision maker. And in this market, I think you know why we're going to shine more than we normally we do? Because we can move in lightning
You
speed.
can go fast.
We can move very, very fast.
Absolutely.
Have a great day. Take care.
Take care.